quick room tour. Not bad.
Average 350k.
Not bad, is it really?
How much is that?
Fairly clean.
Like 15 quid.
Yeah. That's pretty good actually.
5 quid each.
Little pit stop, Tommy boy.
Yeah.
What we got?
Pizza.
Fred, little pit stop, what have we got?
Chamomile bread.
Mmm.
Very tasty.
That's very nice.
What's this mysterious red sauce on the pizza? It's not ketchup.
Is it like raspberry?
Might be like blood.
Quick coffee break, hour away from Halong Bay. How you feeling, Tommy boy?
Those roads are terrifying. Really scary.
Can you see me skid?
Yeah.
I skidded for about 4 meters.
You have to slow down because people just pull out in front of you.
The car literally just pulled out, and then I just had to slam my brakes on. I was like, shh. Did you see it?
No, I didn't. What were you like? Oh, fair enough.
How are you enjoying the road, Frederick?
So many near-death experiences.
Over and out, see you in how long?
Just stopped at the side of a road because the boys needed a pee.
Harry's in a really good mood.
I'm alright. I'm hungry. He's alright, that's how you know he's in a good mood. He's a hungry boy. And here's Freddie, double ponchoed up for that journey.
That was horrible, and I'm still fucking soaking. Oh, nice.
Just waiting for the ferry, aren't we?
Yeah, Harry's really miserable.
Nah, I'm just hungry.
He's got trench arms.
More like trench foot.
I'm fishing or something if you're that hungry. He's begging for my bread. See, if you were smart, you'd use the bit I gave you as bait and then catch a really big fish.
Just a touch, you're loving enough to take my whole body. All aboard! Jack! We're sinking!
Kick him off.
Jack!
I wonder if anybody lives on any of these islands. I think it'd be a pretty cool place to set up shop.
Exploring with Tom Spanks.
Imagine though if you just like had a house at the top.
Mate, is this the fucking road?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Right? Great lighting.
Should we chin it together?
Mine's salty. It's alright. Chin.
That is horrible.
So we've just sent Fred on a wild goose chase to the toilets upstairs. He's absolutely hammered from white wine. I've got a passion fruit mojito. Oh. How you feeling, Tom?
Really good. Feeling great.
How you feeling, Bert?
Very bad.
Boat trip!
Boat trip, baby. Alright, lads. It's very beautiful here.
How you feeling about your sick?
Fucking hell, he's turning it quick, isn't he?
Board! Room tour!
Oh, it's next door. Oh my god, it's the best shower so far. It's not next door. It's the best bathroom so far, boys. And we're on a vessel.
Look at the viewage out the window. Whoa!
Oh! Ahoy, hoy!
First course, leek and potato soup. I want to get a nice scenic pic of the window. We've put Tom on a strict diet, just pure lettuce.
About time, really.
Shrimp.
Onion.
What are you eating there, Harry?
Tofu.
He's eating beef. Exposed video. Your next YouTube video is going to be an apology video. I'm sorry, guys. I messed up. Oh, nice.
Hi, mate. I might go and christen the toilet. Yeah, we're pretty cool. Left, right,
I wish you had to talk
left, right. You're giving a massive boat. Point in, right, time to go back. New invention. Fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, to go fishy.
No, that's the fish, I think.
I don't want to be the first one in. Because then I'll get swallowed up by a big shark
Right, cool.
Oh, mate, that is salty.
Have you just dunked his head under there?
Tom, what's that? What's that? What's that?
In, doing some swimming. Harry's gonna jump in. I nearly
You go like this, and you grab both your knees. Just.
What the fuck was that?
I've had to properly jump. Is it like yeah. Let's get yours. Let's get yours. Oh, yours isn't as bad now. It's not good.
Bit more? Bit more dippage?
Yeah.
All in one.
Yeah, go on. Oh, nice.
Oh, it's actually well done.
It is nice.
Really tough. No, bro. Come on, come on. I'm crying.
You gotta stop.
It's a sip of beer.
Stop.
Time flies like an arrow. Fruit flies like a banana.
What flies like a banana?
Fruit flies. Tell him, Robbie.
I'm loving angels instead.
How you feeling, Tom?
Really, really good.
What are into your eyes?
Lack of sleep.
Still feeling strong, feeling great.
MTV and welcome to my career. This is my wit.
Oh, that's so weird.
Oh, no, they look horrible. Oh no!
Tom's embracing the local culture.
Look how miserable it is.
Could you just tell us how your fish suckling feet experience was?
It was alright.
was a bit
There's a few
mean.
big ones,
Yeah.
and they kind of hurt a bit, so I'm not too keen on that.
It feels very strange on the bottom of your feet.
It wasn't a terrible experience.
It was quite cool.
I don't know, the goldfish have big gobs.
Yeah.
They have.
Tom's feeling good.
I think we missed the game of the season.
Whoa. Come on, we can do no hands. Oh! Lovely bit of scenery.
Pierce. Hey guys, welcome to my fitness journey called Cycling Queens. They were just cycling. We cycle all day.
Whoa! Should I push him?
Hey guys, it's Nicole.
What?
How's your meaty donut?
It's actually surprisingly nice.
Could us get a close up of the meat donut?
It's a bit like curry.
Tom, what did you get?
I got pizza, believe it or not.
Any good or?
It's a bit weird because the pepperoni's like
Underneath.
vibrant pink. It's
That-
like bright pink.
Kind of like salami? No?
Yeah, like bologna or something. I don't know. It's alright. I mean, onions keep dropping out of it.
Just run through what we've just been doing.
Here we go. We just went bowling. I won that, Harry came second, Fred gave it the big un. He said he was really good and he came last. Only just broke 100. And then we went to the punching machine, Fred's specialty.
Oh, Fred, gym lad Fred.
Yeah, he goes to the gym how many hours a day? 2 hours a day. He came last. Harry won, I came second.
Hench, mate.
Fred lost.
I
and then that was it.
hammer.